Hello and welcome to part 1 of this video tutorial, which will show you how to install a 3-module frame for 2N IP Verso. Here we have a basic Verso unit and an extension module box. First of all, you have to cut through the VBus cover tab here to make a hole for the VBus cable and microphone to be fed through later. Then you can attach the extension module box to the IP Verso main unit with these 2 clips. Insert and tighten 2 screws here to ensure the 2 boxes are firmly joined. Now you have to move the microphone from the Verso unit to the bottom module. Pull out the microphone, untangle the cable and push it through the newly made hole. It's recommended to tidy up the cable so that it doesn't get in the way when installing modules. Once this is done, you can plug in a UTP cable. If you don't want to add any inputs or outputs to the Verso, you can start adding modules now. Plug in a VBus cable to the Verso main unit and connect the other end to the module. It's not really important which of the ports on the module you use, but it's recommended to use the one on the right. That's because you have to pull the cable for another module through the newly made microphone hole. Again, don't forget to tidy up the cables so that they don't get in the way, and insert the module the same way we did, left side first. Now you can mount both fixtures for the frame. To prevent any audio issues, it's recommended to tighten the microphone using the attached screw. This is the flush installation box into which you have to make a hole for the cables. As you can see, we've already removed the tabs as we don't need them in this example, but in a real installation you should remove them after you've mounted the box into the wall. This is because the box rim has to be flush with the finished wall surface. If the box is too recessed, the frame won't fit against it, and if the box protrudes from the wall, there'll be a gap between the wall and the frame. Now we can pull the cable through the prepared hole and insert the Verso into the back box, securing it in place with these fixtures. You can now attach the second module and secure it along with the first one into place with the provided screws. Once this is done, we can mount the Verso into our stand. Where installing into plasterboard, remember to tighten all of the clamp screws to secure it to the plasterboard. And the last step is to mount the flush frame and tighten these screws with the attached hex key. Okay, that's it for part 1. In part 2, I'll show you how to connect 2 2-module frames. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a pleasant experience with 2N products.